How you look so perfect on your worst days. Like the way you keep up with your earnings. It's okay, you be swerving, swerving. How you look so perfect on your worst days. Your body like surface, yeah. I'm alone your body.
Hey boy, you come in the class. You go along class now, then you just come to school. Come in. Give me the big like. All you're good to do, I think,
Sir, stop out that baby Britney bar. What did you, sir?
Hey you Chinese boy, why you take so long to come in? Allow the dog them and come in, boy.
Ha! Me sorry, sir, me never let again. Me get a new emperor from China.
You boy. You boy.
Yes, sir.
Me know why you answer me none of the time. Answer me one time in a boy. You boy over there, so. Introduce yourself.
My name is Romain.
Romain.
Yes.
So you introduce yourself?
My name is Romain. Ha, me sir. My name is Moshogashi Minka. Me from China. In a place where we love mongrel donkey soup. Ha.
Good evening, class. I'm Miss Pish Drunko.
Me, good evening. Guys, yeah, me, Pippi Pitch. Ha.
What are you guys doing in Jamaica?
Me, original from Jamaica. Ha, me Pish Drunko. Me here from China. Me can't get no good dog, mongrel dog, from China. And me here say, Jamaica have a holiday mongrel dog them. So me come here to get a mongrel dog for boy mongrel so.
So what do you like about Jamaica?
Ha! Me like how the big butter round girl. You see that big butter round girl? Me like a ham from Jamaica. Me say lie. Look here. What is called?
A yam head.
I like this. Yam them. Me have no problem with that yam head. We love. Yeah, my baby Bella. Yeah. Me love them girls. The girl are really my Bella.
So who's your favorite artist from Jamaica?
Me like him one. Me like him big butter round girl there. He Budum. Me like him Budum.
So what's your favorite Jamaican meal?
Nothing more me like her than a nice mongrel dog. Me like dog toe. Roast the dog toe. No bad with some nice lime juice. No bad like mongrel.
What's your favorite song?
Me love that song there. Me Rankin Pumpkin. Sha samurai girl. Sha samurai. Me like she weng. No sure gosh. That's a song that bad. Weng. Yeah. That's a song that bad. Yeah. What chew your brain? No sure gosh I like.
How old are you guys and what do you do in your spare time?
You see me follow the trend of the Buddhas. Me be living for 15,000 years. So me 50,000 and one by the end of this year. I do in my spare time is mongrel dogs. I skin mongrel dogs through the day, through the night, and sell mongrel dogs.
Me, I am just 44. I drink from Sunday to Sunday. I drink at any bar. I shell, any top shelf.
Are you guys single or taken?
Me no, he not a love thing. Me not what about. Me left my girl in China. She tell me, me bad color white shirt, not gonna make it out alive. So me left her and come to Jamaica. We me can get some good fish shop. Ha!
Me, only taking rum. I am in love with rum. Black, white, clay, color, Hennessy.
I see the
Me love rum.
the bed.
I don't need no girl.
Me go to bed for. Yeah, Jaja, you this a kill me.
Yeah,
Yeah,
people.
people don't know say you're official Chinese word there, so you see me.
Yes,
Mush up,
you're
mush up,
rum head.
Ha 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 ha. Should have called subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell.
Don't forget to comment.
Yeah, guys.
And share this.
Yeah, people, just subscribe, turn on the bell. You know it go already. You know, say. You see me? I just look at entertainment. So,
Yeah.
just stay tuned for the next one. They go bang at them.